We'll discuss about linear equations. Let me give you first one example. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Let's find out some points on this equation. So we draw a table. This is my x value, this is my y value. I say x is equal to -1. In that case my y value will be y into 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to -2 plus 1, that is equal to -1. X is equal to 0, in that case y value will be 1. X is equal to 1, y will be 3. Let's show these points on a graph paper. So this is my graph paper, and I want to show these points on this graph. So my first point is -1, -1. It will lie somewhere here. My second point is 0, 1. So it will be somewhere here. Third point is 1, 3. So 1, 3 approximately here. Let's join these points. If I join these points, all these points lie on the same line. So this is a definition of linear equation, that all the points corresponding to this equation, when joined, they will lie on the same line. It gives me a straight line. Now if this is the linear equation, then what are the non-linear equations? So let me give you some examples of non-linear equations. Xy is equal to 1. This is the equation which is non-linear. Then I can say y is equal to 4x square plus 1. This is an example of non-linear equation. Another example of non-linear equation is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. This is again a non-linear equation. So how do we say these are the non-linear equations? See, in a linear equation, if we see, there's only the constants, and the constants multiplied by some variable which has got power 1. So in this case 2 is my constant and x is the variable which has got power 1. Again in this y is 1 is the coefficient or the constant, it is multiplied by y, the variable which has got power 1, or it is only the constant. So this type of equation is linear equation. Whereas if you see in the non-linear equations, this is non-linear equation. So in non-linear equation, if you see, we are multiplying x by y. So multiplication of two variables. So this is a form of non-linear equations. Or if you see in this equation, here the power of x is 2. So it is a non-linear equation because power of the variable has to be 1 only, and all the variables, power of the variable has to be 1. In this case, 1 by x plus 1 by y, if I simplify it, what will I get? X plus y, I'll get here x plus y divided by xy is equal to 1. So again here I am getting x multiplied by y here. So this has become a non-linear equation. So these are the examples of non-linear equations. This is an example of linear equation. I can give you another example of linear equation where I can say 3y plus 5x is equal to 15. So this is another example of linear equation. If you see here, then this is my constant. Here constant is multiplied by a variable which has got power 1. Here the constant is 3 multiplied by variable y which has got power 1. So this is a linear equation. So that's okay.